Alright, so in this chapter we are going to cover chapter 8, adverbs. An adverb modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, another adverb, a phrase, or even a sentence. So adverbs add meaning to verbs, adjectives, or another adverbs. Make sure that they do not, modify noun. They do not modify nouns. They tell how, when, or where something happened. When you ask question how, when, where, then you get adverb. Understood? For example, Rahul sings sweetly. When you ask question how does Rahul sing, you will get the answer sweetly. So sweetly is the word that defines sings. Understood? So sweetly is what? Adverb. In the first sentence, the word sweetly is the qualifying the verb sings. It tells how Rahul sings. In the second sentence, there are two adverbs, sings and very. Okay, sorry, very and sweetly. So let's all try out one. The driver of the car was seriously injured. So we will fill the seriously is the one. So I'm just mentioning here. Seriously, we'll fill here. Okay. Now the second is he was continuously. So where is continuously? It's there. This is the second one. He was continuously asking question. My son looked around curiously. This is the third one. Curiously. He is financially, so financially is the fourth one. He is financially very strong. He can easily buy. So this is the fourth second part. ये second part है fourth का. Okay. Now the next, I drove carefully. So this is the fifth one, carefully. I drove carefully. Next, she speaks Telugu fluently. So this is the sixth one, fluently. Now the house was palatial. It was beautifully decorated. So beautifully is the seventh one. Now this is the last one. He willingly, this is eighth one. He willingly gave me his notebook and then complained to the teacher that I had taken his notebook forcefully. This is the second part of eighth question. Understood? Now let's solve types of adverbs. So adverbs of manner, they tell us about how. When you ask a question how, you will get the answer. For example, easily, graciously, slowly, silently, noisily, correctly, meekly. So these are what? Adverb of manner. So where do you get these adverb are put behind the direct object. They are mostly positioned at the end, but in case the adverb is not the most important part of the clause and the object is very long, they are put in the middle. For example, he promptly replied to all my questions. He replied to my questions promptly. Both the two ways are correct. Now he walked slowly just after the verb. Adverb of place tell us place where an action occurred. Alright, for example, outside, inside, there, here, upstairs, anywhere, somewhere, downstairs. So these are adverb of place. Now adverb of time tells us about the time when an action takes place. Understood? For example, tomorrow, today, yesterday, now, then, ever, soon, already, ago, recently, formerly, lately, etc. Now adverb of frequency. So frequency, when you ask question how often, like rarely, frequently, often, again, occasionally, annually, daily, seldom, once, hardly, weekly. So these are adverb of frequency. Now adverb of degree, so they tell us about the extent or the degree into which an action takes place. So these adverb give us the answer to the question how much or in what degree or in what extent. So you will get the answer very much, really, extremely, almost, partly, enough, etc. Now grammar bumps. Hard and hardly are two completely different words. दोनों को एक जैसा नहीं समझना है, दोनों का अलग मतलब होता है. ठीक है. Hardly का मतलब हो जाता है मुश्किल से. You did not try to find any. Understood? And hard का मतलब हो जाता है when you put a lot of effort. Relative adverbs. So relative adverbs like pronouns. Relative adverbs introduce a relative clause. No preposition is used with a relative adverb. For example, when you are using where, when, why. So these are relative adverbs. Understood? Now sentence adverbs. So when they define, when they modify all the sentence. For example, luckily, so they are usually used in the starting of the sentence and they define the complete sentence. Now let's solve. So let's read the grammar bumps also. We do not put adverbs between the verb and the object. Here, underline the adverb and tell their types. So I am very pleased. So very is what? Very is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree. I'm just writing here AD, adverb of degree. Okay. Now the invitation was sent everywhere. Everywhere, it's an adverb of place. I'm just writing here place so that you could identify. And today is time. Adverb of time. Now next is their books are priced reasonably. So reasonably is a manner. How? Reasonably. Now I rarely, it shows frequency. So this is adverb of frequency. Quency. Next, or the vegetables cooked enough. So this is degree. Degree. Next, my friends found the information quite surprising. So again it's degree. Alright, next, all the students should certainly read the instruction. So certainly is adverb of affirmation. Next, consequently, it is a sentence adverb because it's defining all the sentence. We are walking slowly. So what is slowly and very slowly? These are showing. Slowly means manner and very shows what? Degree. Understood? Now she always is what? Frequency. Choose the correct adverb. If you ever, so I'm just putting a tick. Next is currently. I'm planning my trip for the summer break. My sister speaks French fluently. Speaks. She eventually took a decision which was much desired. You cannot go without my permission anywhere. Next, there is a surprise for you outside. Next, you are not grown up enough to take this decision. She would often visit me, but she doesn't. Okay. Now adverb tryout 4. Tryout 4 is have you ever. So we will write here ever, frequency. His reaction was very, degree, quite, very. Okay. When I have a good company of my friends, I like eating outside, inside, whatever it is you could write here. I called him yesterday. Yesterday. Next is bye bye. See you soon. Next, we frequently. Here frequency. So we frequently. Even you could write we always go out for dinner. We rarely go out for dinner. Understood? So you could mention like that. Now they are waiting. So they are now waiting for. They are now. Time is telling they are now. Okay. Walk fast. She spoke English fluently. Next is make sure you are here. Alright, so this is formation of adverbs which you could read. How could we make adverbs? And now this is the last tryout. Tryout 5. Complete the sentences with the correct adverbial form of the adjective given in the bracket. So does sound travel faster? Here faster. Faster than light. No, sound travels slower. 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 Then modern cars run quieter. 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 Next, does the earth rotate rapidly? It's a rapidly. Rapidly. Next is which began earlier. 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 Next, life began late. late. On land and developed rapidly. rapi. हालांकि rapidly adverb है. Understood? ठीक है. Developed rapidly in the ocean. Now she can easily. 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 She can easily answer. Next, personally. PERSONALLY, personally. Then here, works best. Next, manure cost cheaper, CHEAPER, cheaper than fertilizer. तो इसमें दोनों ही है एडवर्बियल फॉर्म ऑफ द एडजेक्टिव्स, ठीक है. तो कहीं कहीं पे हम एडजेक्टिव्स भी फिल कर रहे हैं. With highest wavelength in the visible spectrum, red color travels. Then we will write here farthest, FARTHEST, farthest. Then the deeper you go, the earth's surface, the hotter gets in. So now the chapters are done. Till chapter 10 I have uploaded the videos, so you can find the solution. Thank you so much for